HLN.
Did you kill Travis Alexander on June 4th, 2008?
Yes, I did.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for closing arguments, and to begin, we have the prosecution, Vinnie Politan.
Thank you, Joe. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the migraines, the headaches, the theatrics, the drama, that's what she loves. That's the part that she loves, the performance, the attention. Everyone's talking about me. And what happens when she gets a migraine? It stretches out the trial that she loves. This is her moment in the spotlight, her moment to shine, ladies and gentlemen. And what are we talking about? Talking about her and her relationship with Travis Alexander. And she's able to tell the world about that relationship. And she's allowed to tell them everything about that relationship. When I say everything, I mean everything. And she loves them apples.
Monica Lindstrom for the defense.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not her moment to shine. This is the moment where she might die. She does not love being on trial. The state was supposed to prove to you beyond a reasonable doubt that she loves being on trial, and they haven't. I suggest to you that you are not firmly convinced that she loves being on trial. Let's go over why they haven't proved the case and why you're not convinced. Number one, she cried over and over in trial. She might have cried as much as you wanted her to cry, or as much as I would have cried in trial. She might not have showed as much remorse, but she cried over and over. You saw her breakdown. You saw her upset. You heard about her schedule. She had to get up, and she gets hardly any food. You saw the food, a little bit here, a little bit there. She suffers from migraines. Most importantly, and the strongest evidence that we have showed you today that she's not loved trial, she's on antidepressants. She is on anti-anxiety medication. Antidepressants and anti-anxiety medication. Happy people don't do that. If she loved being on trial, she wouldn't have to take those medications, ladies and gentlemen. She does not love being on trial. She might enjoy some of the attention. She might be trying to make the best of it, but she doesn't love it because she knows that there's a real possibility she might die. So the state has not proven to you that she loves trial.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the evidence is in. You've heard from the prosecution, you've heard from the defense. We have reached the moment of truth, and that is for you to deliberate. We're going to start the deliberation clock, and I'd ask that you resume and begin right now.
I would expand the net. I'd say the prosecutor loves being on TV, the defense attorneys love it, the judge loves being on TV, and the defendant loves being on TV. As Andy Warhol said, in the future, everyone's going to have 15 minutes of fame. And she stretched it into 5 months of fame, the defendant, and they all love it. They smell it, they can taste it, they just love it.
You know, Jodi could be selling artwork, a new artwork, a heart with an arrow through it, because that's what she did to Travis Alexander. It's not a joke, and eventually she'll come to realize it.